Hello. Are we live? Oh my gosh. Happy Sunday. How are you doing? Double checking my feed. Welcome. When you see this, I'm so happy to convene with you for a few minutes today. I hope that you've had a beautiful, beautiful day. I just wanted to pop by with a very special invitation. We have a few very cool things coming up before the end of the year. What I'm so grateful for this beautiful year. Today, I want to talk to you about how you can use AI as a heart centered coach, right? Because at initial glance, you might think, oh my gosh, well, that would take the love out of my content, or that would take my personality out of my funnels, or my emails, or my content, or my live streams, or whatever. And I'm here. What's up? I am here as living proof to tell you, guess what, girlfriend? AI can give you ideas that you never would have thought of yourself, and you can pour your heart and soul straight in to the content that you create using AI. You can do rapid research, create some amazing lead magnets. You can do all sorts of crazy cool things that your ideal client, their heart will literally burst that you created these things for them. And I'm telling you, AI changed everything for me. And so I love bridging the gap between true heart centered entrepreneurship and that feminine energy, the magnetism, the ease and flow around money, around business, and bridging the gap using AI into like really consistent sales flow, really consistent audience growth, really consistent engagement, so that you know that what you're putting out there is speaking directly to the right person so that you can serve them on the highest level. And what does that create for you? That creates super consistent sales, that safety and security that, let's be honest, most female entrepreneurs are really excited to achieve. And so if you're like, okay, Amber, that's great. I'm a little farther along than that. I'm a little more well established than that. Well, then what we're talking about is getting all your time back. So you can really just expand into more fun, into more flow. You can play more, you can listen to music, you can dance around, you can get it like really into the deep feminine magnetism of manifestation around like a life that would blow your mind. If I could show you what life can look like, it would blow your mind. And so I have a very special invitation for you. For those of you who've been following us for a while, you might already know that my husband and I run a program called Mass AI. It's an incredibly crazy, super in-depth software tool that my husband and our development team have been building for about a year. And it's also a super high touch coaching program, mastermind, where we work together 4 days a week. Myself, my husband, and three of our coaches. Actually, we have 4 sessions a week where we teach you how to use this tool, but also how to really activate that wealth consciousness, how to do all the mindset stuff that can shift you from maybe you had an employee mentality into an entrepreneur mentality, so you can actually make money without a ton of hard, tedious work. And you can get back to spending time with the people you love most, which is why most people go into business, but they never achieve that because they, one, either never make enough money, or two, they do make enough money, but they lose all their time. And so we are fundamental coaches in this space, bridging that gap with the use of AI, even though we're quantum healers, both my husband and I. So we're on the cutting edge of heart-centered spiritual entrepreneurship, but we don't want to work all the time. So we bridge the gap by creating these tools. And if it's your first time meeting us, I'm really grateful to get to know you more, meeting me rather. You're going to meet my husband next because I have an invitation for you. Once a month, we have what we call open session, where we allow people to come into our actual coaching container, be a fly on the wall, and learn what we're doing with the use of this tool and just with online business strategy in general. We've been in the game for 9 years now. We really, really love what we do. We have a deep knowledge of organic marketing. We have a deep knowledge of paid marketing, lead magnets, self-liquidating offers, ascension model, high ticket coaching, all the things, even network marketing and affiliate marketing. We have a really cool affiliate program. The reason I'm telling you this is just to say we're well-rounded. And so when you come into Mass to see what's happening in the market, you're not just seeing us show off our tool. You're actually being exposed to some high level thought processes around what we're going to do next, not only for the end of the year now, but all the way into the new year. And so I have a very special invitation for you. This Monday is open session. It happens once a month. The way that you get an invitation to that is by hopping into our group, the coaching portal. The link is in the description of this video. I can see it. I'm looking at Facebook. I can see the link. So if you just click that link and ask to get in our group, we'll be sure that we continue letting people in multiple times before we go live tomorrow. Not live in the group, though. It's a private invitation. So you're actually going to get a private Zoom link that is private invite only, and you're going to be able to come into the session. You can mute yourself out. You don't have to be on video. You can just snoop around. But I want you to learn how we're bridging the gap from that serious heart-centered coaching business model using AI, keeping your personality intact, and bringing really, really consistent revenue, doubling, tripling revenue. To give you some numbers, we've sold 75 high ticket programs through the content that's been created with this app in the last year. 75 high ticket programs without sales calls, straight from content. We've done more. We'd still do some sales calls, but those 75 were without sales calls. That's how powerful your content can be, your emails can be, your sales funnels can be when you use tools like this to speak directly to the heart of your ideal client. We have a surprise that we're going to give you if you come on Monday's call. We have a next level secret that is totally free that we're going to invite you to when you come on that call. So what I want you to do is click the link in the description of this video and hop inside the coaching portal. We will send you the link to join. You can DM one of us. You can ask for the link if you want, but it's a private invitation only so that you can come in and snoop around tomorrow. Okay. That's my private invitation for you. Hope you're having a great day. I'm sitting here feeling the pink vibes. I got this, I'm calling it my unicorn juice. Just spending some time grounding in the energy of what I want 2024 to look like. I'm starting a podcast right now and a YouTube channel. I'm shifting the way that I show up online based on the data that I'm receiving from these kind of tools. And I'm really, really excited for the future. I'm really, really excited for 2024. And I'm just excited today, these days, to, wake up and feel so much gratitude for the fact that I don't have to go work for anybody else. I don't have to go punch a time clock or wake up to an alarm clock or do anything that I don't want to do. I don't even have to take actions in my business that I don't want to take, because literally the way that business can be run these days online is endless, absolutely endless, vast, and limitless. And so I go, hey, you know what? I don't think I want to do so much of this thing in 2024. Okay. How do I want to do it instead? And I get to get deep in my heart and what I desire. And when I get so clear on what I'm doing and why I'm doing it, to the point where like the why should make you cry, like really, really, really obsessed with who it is that I serve and the work I put out into the world and the reason why, what it does for other humans. That like ooey gooey, chewy, juicy, unapologetically authentic, just passion, like dripping diamonds passion. When you get that clear on what you want to do in the world, how you want to make money, the way in which you want to show up, right? Not by sitting down and thinking, how do I get this result? But thinking, hey, I want it to be this easy. Let me open myself up for some answers. I want to do this thing, the what, for this reason. And the how presents itself. That's the way we've built business for all these years. That's how we've done things in a way that just seems unrealistic and unbelievable in the most beautiful of ways. So if you want to tap more into that energy and you want to learn how to connect the dots, bridge the gap for the etherical, ooey gooey, juicy magic, bridge the gap to sustainable, consistent, safety and security, massively rich, badass business, then I want you to come on tomorrow, Monday. All right? Love you so much. I'll see you there.